So hey guys, today I'm going to show you all on how you can scrape any subreddits that you want and generate unlimited leads by just scraping these posts. So let's get started. So to get started, you first need your Reddit account credentials. So how to get these credentials? Just go to this website reddit.com/prefs/apps. So and just create. So I have already created my app. So here you will have an option like are you a developer, create an app. So just click on it and your the name, description, URL. So what is this redirect URL? So just come to your self-hosted and this is your redirector URL. So just create an app and you will get a secret token and your personal use script. Just come here, generic auth type and select basic auth and just basic auth, just create your credentials. So let's go. So this user is this personal use script id, okay, and your password is your secret key. So okay, after creating that, just come down here and send headers. So we're going to give it our, so what this is my script, this is my Reddit account username. So if you don't have Reddit, just log in through your Google account and set a password to it, and the content type is application forms, okay, and in the body we are going to send grant type password. So we're going to give this http request node our account name and our password so it can access our account and scrape the posts that we want. So grant type password username, our username and name password, so that is our password, your Reddit account password here. So after that, just execute job. We will get our access token here. I know it is a lot. So I have pinned this data. So after that, new post. So we're going to scrape all the new posts that the subreddit that we want to scrape has generated recently. So if you want in Reddit, let me show you. Here we have options like best, hot, new, top, all that. So here I am scraping new. So if we want hot topics, just set hot. So this will defaultly scrape 25 posts. So if we want to scrape only 10 posts, just set a limit like 10. Okay, like that. So you can also limit to 5, 1 or anything you like. So in this, send headers. So name authorization, what this token is, this access token, okay, and access token type bearer and our token. So after that, set body as user agent and this is our Reddit username, okay. So after executing this, so here see I am r/n8n, so I am scraping this r/n8n AI agents subreddit, okay. So when we have executed this, we will get all the posts, 25 posts. So when I have executed this, I didn't set a limit, so I have got like 25 children. So this is all a one item. This all considers as one item. So I have to separate this into 25 items. So see, I have 24. Okay, so I have to split this. So come here to split and data dot children. So this, okay, just select this and drop it here, and you will get 25 items. So after that, just set a loop 1, 5 or anything you would like. So you don't hit API limits of the Google agent that we are using. So after looping, just come to your AI agent and this is our user prompt. I didn't generate this. I just told the Google Gemini that what the output that I want, and it generated this user prompt for me and system prompt as well. If you want this JSON format, just comment down below and I will share it with you guys. So after executing this, let me just execute this. So since we have already pinned the data, this we don't execute this again. So it will take some time to execute this. So let me explain what this code node does. So this code node is just removes all the data. So we will update the data in our Google Sheets. Reddit author, what the post author is. Okay. So after that thread body, what the body of thread is, hi all an attempt wizard. So that is the body, and lead, or who the lead is, and lead type. The lead type is, if we consider them our lead, okay, and the priority high, low, none, or something like that. Reason, what is the reason to set the priority, and resource link, post URL, and post ID, like that. So since it has completed, see we got the output, but we didn't have subred schemas to update in our Google Sheets. So just come here and set this code. I didn't write this code. I also gave this code to Cloud to generate me this code. So when we have execute this, I forgot to pin the data, so it's fine. It will run again, no worries. So after it run again, we will get different schemas, so we can implement those schemas in here. So just connect your Google Sheets in here and select document and sheet 1. This will generate automatically, and just I'm going to share with you all on. So see, here we only have one output, but in code node we will get different easily lead type, priority, post body, and all these. So come here again. So author, who the author is here, thread body. The thread body is nothing but post body, and lead is lead, okay, and lead type. So priority, and reasoning. You can see all resource link and post URL and post ID. Post URL is nothing but this Reddit URL, and post ID is, so just type post ID. So it will be in loop power items, but it seems like since we have pinned the data, we can get this. So just copy this and we'll get the ID here. So if we execute this, let me just pin this data so we don't run it again and come to Google Sheets. Since we don't have any, let me just execute this, and the data will be stored. See, Reddit author guest masked the username of the Reddit author, and thread body, what the thread body is, and lead. So we don't want this lead, and lead type showcase. They are showcasing priority low. The reasoning. What is the reasoning? Let me just, okay. What is the reasoning? The author is showcasing a past successful highlight, so we don't want this lead. Sorry, this is the resource link, and this post URL and the post ID. So like this, you can scrape any subreddits you want, and you can set a limit, and you can even scrape by new, hot, or anything like that you want. So that's it, guys. If you want this JSON format, just comment down below, and I will share it with you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.